everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my beautiful name is Anthea and you're welcome. Today I am going to show you guys how to get soft pink lips at home in no time. Darkening of the lips is also known as lip hyperpigmentation. It is normally a harmless condition, maybe caused due to a number of reasons, which may include excessive exposure to sunlight, lack of hydration, allergic reactions to toothpaste, lipstick, such things, excessive use of caffeine, smoking, lip sucking, and it can also be attributed to chemotherapy, anemia, excessive use of fluoride, vitamin deficiency. My lips are normally not dark, but as the seasons change, they start to dry out and become flaky, and sometimes due to that I have a few bruises, I think, wounds coming up because of that, and as a result I have dark patches on my lips and they start to look a little bit darker. So this is what I do for that. I am going to start by exfoliating my lips using some petroleum jelly, in this case Vaseline, and a toothbrush. This is my daughter's new toothbrush meant for your teeth, your mouth, not the one for ages. So a toothbrush. Take some Vaseline and put on your toothbrush. Start to exfoliate your lips in circular motion. Do this for not more than 1 minute on each lip because you don't want to over exfoliate your lips. You are going to bruise them. Exfoliating your lips is going to help get rid of all the dead skin cells that are accumulating on your lips, and it will help to soften the lips. Once you're done, rinse this off or wipe it off. If you like this video so far, and if you've watched my other videos and you like them, please do not forget to subscribe so you can join our little family. Now, in a small bowl, mix together a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of lemon juice, add a few drops of honey, about 2 drops. Both cinnamon and lemon have natural skin lightening properties, and honey is very good for skin hydration. With your finger, apply this to your lips and massage for like a minute. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse it off. Go ahead and apply your chapstick, your lip oil, your lip balm, whichever you like, whichever works for you. I am going to be applying my lip mask. This is a shea butter lip mask. If you do try this out, please share with us in the comment section what you think about it. If you did watch this video, especially until the end, thank you so much. And please, if you did like it, give me a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Have yourselves a lovely time and see you next time.